Hey guys, welcome to Life of Claire. We have a special guest again, my lovely husband. I just want to go ahead and say I'm sorry ahead of time for the following. Bad lighting, because I suck at putting lighting, noises that you may hear, and potentially the horrible application of makeup. Okay.
It's not potentially, it's going to be bad.
Alright, before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe. It is free. Just go ahead and hit that button. If you are already a subscriber or are planning to subscribe, also remember to hit that notification bell that's right beside the subscription bar so you are aware every time I upload. Alright, so let's just get into this video. Alright guys, so today's going to be a little bit different. We have, of course, Emilio, my husband, if you guys don't know. Sorry. So I wanted to first do the Not My Arms challenge, but then I had an idea on the drive over here. And I was like, you know what? Why don't you try and recreate a YouTuber's makeup look on me and see how you do? Because we've already done the Husband Does My Makeup challenge, and I'll link that down below if you guys haven't seen it.
Really bad. Horrible.
So for this one, I was like, you know what? I love Raw Kristi Beauty. Let's check out one of her videos and pick one that you want to recreate on me. So he picked one.
It is the Hot Fire Cut Crease.
She uses the ColourPop, the new ColourPop Yes Please palette. I don't have that, but we do have similar colors. So I'm going to use, we pulled out the Shan XO palette that has a couple colors, warm tone shades in there, and then of course the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe that has every color under the sun, basically. I think between this one and the other one, he'll be able to recreate, you know, the look. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. He pulled out makeup already that you see here on the table. So the tutorial is behind him. He kind of went through it really quickly, right? No, he just did the beginning. Okay.
I'm gonna wing it.
Okay, he's gonna try and recreate it without looking at the video.
Going based off the diagram. Stop smiling! She's not smiling in the diagram. Is this supposed to go like all over?
Yeah, It's a base. Like it's a primer.
Well, it's going as far as I thought it would. Not illuminating as much as it should. At least I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm giving your opinion. You don't even know what it is or what it does. You're just like.
I don't. Like, I'm probably going the wrong direction with this thing.
No, it's fine. It's a primer. What's next?
The foundation.
We're gonna do color correcting next.
Oh.
So, green is usually for any red spots I have, and
Red's for any green spots.
And red's for any.
Bloop.
You blended in too bad.
Yeah, no. Bloop.
Easy under the eyes, man.
Huh?
You like scrape me really hard.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know how hard this thing is. Oh, you look different. Oh.
Let's zoom in.
And it's supposed to blend into those spots?
Yeah. You're gonna still see orange though because it's gonna cover up the dark circle.
The dark?
The darkness.
The dark circle. So, hold on. Close your eye.
Oh, you don't get... Okay.
I don't have to put it on the eyelid?
No, you don't really don't.
No? Okay. It's not coming out though. Like.
Is it dry already?
Probably.
I'm gonna look at the mirror. So I can't see. No, that's good. That's good.
That's so?
Uh-huh. Get rid of my eye.
I know.
Just easy because it's sensitive under there.
It's so hard to do with the left one though.
Oh, get rid of my eye.
It's the dark spot side.
Well, then pupil!
Stop smiling, you stupid.
Oh, wait. Stop. It's like calling me a stupid bit.
You're stupid. So this is for...
Red spots. So usually like my cheeks are red right here.
Yeah. Well, your eyes are red now because I poked the hell out of it.
Yeah, for real, bro. God, you're so rough.
I don't do this, so yeah, it's going to be rough. Can you not stop picking your eyes?
I blinker.
The brush keeps moving. Because it's supposed to be like angled and then like you keep moving and it angles the other way. Like that's stupid.
You're good, babe. You kind of took it all off, though.
I took it off.
Yeah. You're rubbing so hard.
What the?
Cream contour. Which I always...
Your face is still green.
Yes.
Is it supposed to be?
It'll be a little green until foundation goes on it. So hollows of the cheek, and then
The who?
hollows of the cheek.
Oh, so where the thing goes in?
Mhm.
Yeah, I see the hollow of your cheek.
You just do a little. Okay.
This one's not so hollow.
And the forehead. Like on the perimeter.
Oh.
Why would you burp it from my face?
Because you're in front of me. You want me to get close. This is what happens. See, keep going on frame. What? What are you doing the face for?
The green on my cheeks anymore. Okay.
Mark X, put an X on there because I missed that. Don't look at the camera like that. Close your eye. But like look up. But close your eye. You did it though! Close your eye but look up. Stop smiling because you're messing it up.
Good job, babe! Alright, so we're gonna do some
My arm hurts.
brows. Switch things up a little bit.
Well, I'm obviously gonna go with the one that you had used the most.
I use both of them.
But like you gouged that one.
Follow the natural shape of my eyebrow.
This is hard.
Do you want this closer to lean on?
My city.
I think it's got a couple of eyelash or eyebrows.
Stop moving.
Okay. My brows are on. You did pretty good this time compared to the first time.
Oh yeah, that was bad. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
good
That was
job.
good.
Alright, so before we do concealer, we're gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow look. So he just wants to like wing it and just recreate it how he sees fit. Step on that lid to set the concealer.
There's a lot of fallout.
At least I know that. I'm making it look like you're crying gold. It's gonna be so bad.
She does not have it like that at all.
I'm just like, cause it's on the screen. I'm trying.
I'll blend it out.
The yellow is not past her eyebrow at all.
This was your idea. I just want you to know that.
Yeah, I thought you'd actually try.
I am trying. It's hard.
Tap off the extra. Okay. So far, guys. So far.
Terrible.
Do this thing.
Why you make me do the handicap side?
So they can see.
This is not what I wanted to do. Alright, well, this would be my interpretation of that one, so.
So far. This is on my hand.
That's the Fallout Boy, and it's not the band. There's the eye. What the hell? Just all imperfect.
Oh.
Nope.
That sounded so gross. You flip it the other way. You really flip the brush the other way. So you're like that.
Oh.
So you're like that.
Like this?
Flip the
Like
brush
this?
the other way.
Like this?
I got it.
Damn it.
Don't swipe, you dab.
I'm at a disadvantage here.
I don't know why you decide to go up like this and dab. Go down. Bring your elbow down, babe. There you go. That's so funny. You're blocking. Your head is blocking.
It's always blocking.
Oh, you guys don't understand. He has his pinky hooked into my ear for balance.
It's working, isn't it? Still fine. Thing. Was alright. That looks better. Your right one looks better than the left.
Okay, so now is bronzer and blush.
Oh, that's these big guys. I know that one. Your hair's like all good.
Yes?
That's okay, whatever you want to do. And the nose. The bridge of the nose too.
I guess I don't know.
Your whole thing's so freaking weird. I knew it. I was like, he's gonna go to the side and this is gonna happen.
I can fix this.
$22. That's how many you do.
Alright guys, so this is my husband, he tried to impersonate Raw Beauty Kristi. This is as close as he can get. I'll zoom you in for a close up.
That's a thumbnail.
Right there. Is it good enough? Do you think he did good?
Nope. What the hell was that?
That was your stomach.
That was my stomach?
That was yours.
I thought it was yours.
No.
So it was all. It said no.
So that concludes this video. I think he did a really
Terrible job.
I mean,
Compared to the last
Okay.
video that we had.
the brows are definitely better. They're not bad. The brows are better than last time. And the foundation, the way you did it, is better. The blush and bronzer is okay.
I chose a really terrible blush.
But the
It's-
blush
it's
is really,
light,
really light. So
So you can't really tell.
and then everything else is really bad. Alrighty, guys. So that completes this video of my husband recreates a look from Raw Beauty Kristi.
No, butchers.
I don't know how to like.
This is gonna be tech. My husband butchers a look.
Yeah, husband butcher the look. Okay. Something. We'll figure out
HBO.
what we're gonna. We'll figure out what we're gonna call it.
Hashtag HBO.
Alright, I'm gonna go wash my face off because it feels super cakey.
But what you can't wash away is the memory of this.
No,
It'll be on the internet forever.
Forever. Great. Alright, guys, please be sure to hit that like button.
Probably not. Probably be the
Please.
dislike one on this one.
Of the torture I went through just to create this
You
video.
brought this upon yourself, you masochist or sadist, whatever that one was. My hand, my
hit
fingers.
that like
are-
button if you like seeing my husband in more videos. Other than
My
that,
fingers are glittery and I hate it.
other than that, guys, subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.